Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. Let's discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The previous week came to an end with the uncertain market sentiment, so the US dollar opened this trading week on a pessimistic note, as market participants had priced in another portion of criticism from Donald Trump over the Fed Reserve. As a result, the euro-dollar pair rebounded to 1.1090, though it failed to surpass this level. Later in the week, the pair got stuck in a trading range of 1.1060 to 1.1090. Hi Peter, could please share your ideas about the euro-dollar pair for the next week?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found, and I want to update you about my previous forecast, is that euro dollar basically reached our target from last week at the 1.1090, and that analysis actually produced a good profit on this currency pair. Anyway, right now, basically the euro is trading around the 1.1090 level, and this is a critical resistance for this currency pair. I see potential for further upside. I don't see any downside pattern on anything which will affect potential sell-off on this currency pair. But anyway, watch for potential breakout to the 1.1090 to confirm eventual test of the 1.1172 level, which is the next upward target on this currency pair. In case of the rejection of this 1.1090 resistance, then eventually you can try to scalp a bit and try to, for example, sell with a downward target, the 1.1053, which is actually a support based on the previous price section on the 4-hour time frame. So, first target from last week, we reached the first target from last week. We're testing the major resistance. There is still upside pressure on this currency pair. So my advice to watch for eventual breakout of this 1.1090 and then watch for buying the dips with a potential target at the 1.172.
Do you expect the pound-dollar pair to resume the uptrend?
On the British pound versus US dollar, we also got a good, we reached basically the previous week target at the 1.2980. And this is actually very important resistance for the British pound versus US dollar. So basically, the pound did rally based on this end of the downward correction that I mentioned during my previous forecast. And now we reached also that big resistance. We got most recently some selling out of that resistance, but on the 8-hour time frame, I saw nothing than just the bull flags, just some reaction back. And there is a bull flag right now, potential continuation of this currency pair. Again, all trends basically are up. Weekly is creating the higher high and higher low. Daily is also building the higher high and higher low. So the trend is basically upside, and I see the potential break of this resistance at 1.2980. If you see the breakout of this resistance, then the next upward target will be set at the price of 1.3170. And you will watch for the buying on the dips basically if you see the breakout to the 1.2980. The support is set at the price of 1.2890, and this will be like a major support for this currency pair. Again, watch for buying opportunities due to this upward trend and potential continuation and more upside. Also, pay attention to the 1.3 level, because this is a round number and it can be also be a significant resistance for this currency pair. So watch for more upside, watch potential break of the 1.3 level, and then if you see the consolidation above this level, watch for an upside and maybe target around 1.3170.
Is there another currency pair which you would like to discuss in our link up?
On the Australian dollar versus US dollar, basically there is interesting situation, because I found a breakout of the downward channel in the background based on the 8-hour time frame. And overall, in the last, I think like a few weeks, overall this currency pair is trading in the consolidation. But most recently, because of the breakout of this downward channel on the upside, I see basically the more upside on Australian dollar. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips and with a target at the 0.6927. Seems like a very solid swing high and potential resistance, and good level to exit your longs if the Australian dollar can reach this level. The support is at 0.6770. This is the, in my opinion, critical support. You will not like to see the Australian trades below this level. This will negate this upside trading idea. So you can basically hold a long position by the dip as long as the Australian dollar is trading above the 0.6770.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stihina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.